If you're encountering an inventory sync error on Katana Cloud Inventory, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause synchronization issues. Step 2. Refresh the page. Sometimes, simply refreshing the application can resolve temporary glitches. Close the inventory page and reopen it to see if the error persists. Step 3. Review sync settings. Go to the sync settings in your Katana Cloud Inventory account. Verify that all settings are configured correctly and that the necessary integrations are enabled. Step 4. Update software. Make sure that you are using the latest version of Katana Cloud Inventory. Check for any available updates and install them, as updates often include bug fixes. Step 5. Contact support. If the error continues after trying the previous steps, reach out to Katana's customer support. Provide them with details about the error for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the inventory sync error quickly. If issues persist, don't hesitate to seek help from support for a more in-depth solution.